Welcome back to Nature Force Exercises for a Better Day. Improve your everyday and health with Nature Force. Subscribe to our channel for 10 easy morning exercises for starting better, healthier days. Watch our videos for free, simple exercises for natural energy regeneration, and enjoy the good feeling that will follow you throughout the day. Day 7. Repeat all the exercises from day 1 until day 6. We recommend you visit a forest or a park, but this is not necessary for today's exercise. After doing the first 6 exercises, start the 7th. Sit down on a chair and squeeze your hands into tight fists as strongly as possible. Then release them swiftly and say, "I am letting go of everything that burdens me from within." Then exhale 3 times like so. And say, "I remain pure, clear, and strong." Repeat the entire exercise 6 times. We will introduce you to the 8th exercise in our next video. Good luck and have a long life.